rebuild those again or not. This is an incredible Pro Alita. We had the D2 G10 handle earlier. I believe it was the red and the black. All right, this is just slick black with the stainless finish on the blade, but that is not stainless steel. This is going to turn. There are 44 remaining. I have no problem with it turning. I've purchased 2 of these in the last 2 years. Bought one 2 years ago, one last year for the holidays, and I'm telling you right now, it's hard to show you a better knife than what you see. All right, $138 will include the block sharpener. It's a $14.99 value. That's going to be yours. We're going to give it to you. We sell all of these Pro Alitas, as many as we can get, actually. Supply doesn't really meet the demand, but we sell them